Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting frontiers in artificial intelligence, multimodal AI. You've probably seen AI models that can write essays, create art, or even generate human like voices. But what happens when we combine all of these abilities, when AI can process text, images, video, audio, and even sensor data all at the same time? That's multimodal AI, and it's not just a buzzword, it's a major leap toward machines that can understand the world more like humans do. In this video, we're going to explore what multimodal AI is, why it matters, where it's already being used, and how it might shape the future of our lives, jobs, and even society itself. So let's start with the basics. Right now, most AI models are unimodal. That means they're really good at handling one type of input. For example, ChatGPT handles text, Midjourney handles images, Whisper handles speech. But in the real world, we rarely experience information in just one form. Think about how you, as a human, process the world. You don't just rely on sound or sight, you combine them. When someone's talking to you, you hear the words, but you also see their body language, facial expressions, and the environment around them. Multimodal AI tries to do the same thing. It combines multiple modes of data like text, images, audio, and even touch or sensor signals into a single unified understanding. For example, imagine showing an AI a photo of a dog while saying, describe this scene and tell me if the dog looks healthy. A unimodal model might only analyze the picture, but a multimodal model could combine what it sees in the image with medical information it has read in the text and even detect tone of voice if you're asking with concern. That's why multimodal AI is such a big deal. It moves us closer to natural human-like intelligence. Now, let's get practical. Where is multimodal AI already making an impact? Doctors are beginning to use multimodal systems to analyze x-rays, CT scans, and patient records all together. Instead of looking at images in isolation, the AI can combine them with the patient's medical history, lab results, and even notes from previous doctors. This leads to more accurate diagnoses and earlier detection of diseases. Imagine an AI spotting a tumor on a scan while also factoring in genetic risk factors from text records. That's life-saving power. In classrooms, multimodal AI could revolutionize tutoring. A student might ask a question, and the AI could respond not just with words, but with diagrams, videos, and spoken explanations tailored to the student's learning style. Think of it as a personal teacher that adapts in real time. Right now, customer service bots are mostly text-based, but multimodal AI means a virtual assistant could understand a picture you send, a voice message you record, or even a short video showing the problem. For example, instead of struggling to explain a broken appliance over chat, you could just show the AI a video and it could immediately identify this issue and suggest a fix. This is where it gets exciting. Musicians, filmmakers, and artists are already experimenting with multimodal AI to generate content that blends text, visuals, and sound. Imagine describing a scene in words, a futuristic city at night with flying cars and neon signs, and instantly generating not just an image but also background music, ambient sound, and a video clip. That's not science fiction anymore. It's already starting to happen. Finally, think about your smartphone. Right now, you use text, photos, and voice commands separately. In the near future, multimodal AI will let you interact in the most natural way possible. Show it a picture of your fridge, ask what can I cook with this, and get a spoken recipe along with a step-by-step video guide. These examples show that multimodal AI isn't just another tech trend. It's becoming the foundation for how we'll interact with machines everywhere. Of course, no big leap in AI comes without challenges. The first is data complexity. Multimodal AI needs massive amounts of data across different formats, text, images, video, audio, and has to learn how to align them correctly. That's technically very hard and extremely expensive in terms of computing power. The second issue is bias. If one type of data is biased, say images that underrepresent certain groups, the multimodal system can end up reinforcing harmful stereotypes in multiple ways. For example, combining biased text data with biased image data can make the problem even worse. Then there's privacy. Imagine multimodal AI assistants that can see through your camera, listen to your conversations, and read your messages. That opens up huge concerns about surveillance and misuse. Finally, interpretability is still a challenge. When an AI makes a decision based on multiple inputs, it's often difficult for humans to understand why. This lack of transparency could be dangerous in high stakes areas like healthcare or criminal justice. So while multimodal AI is powerful, it needs strong guardrails, responsible use, and thoughtful regulation. Otherwise, the risks could outweigh the benefits. So, where is this all heading? Experts predict that multimodal AI will become the default standard in the next few years. We'll move away from single purpose tools and toward AI that can seamlessly shift between modes of communication, just like we do as humans. In enterprise, this means business software that understands spreadsheets, presentations, spoken feedback, and even video calls, all in one ecosystem. In personal life, it means digital assistants that don't just respond to commands, but actually collaborate with us, almost like teammates. One of the most exciting frontiers is embodied AI, robots that can see, hear, and act in the real world using multimodal understanding. Imagine a household robot that notices you look tired, hears you coughing, and suggests making you tea while booking a doctor's appointment. That's where this is heading. But the long term vision is even bigger. Multimodal AI is a step toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI, machines that don't just mimic one human skill, but integrate multiple senses, learn holistically, and apply knowledge across domains. It's not an exaggeration to say that multimodal AI is one of the clearest bridges between today's narrow AI and tomorrow's more general intelligence. So, to wrap it up, multimodal AI is about teaching machines to understand the world the way we do, through multiple senses, multiple signals, and multiple layers of context. It's already transforming healthcare, education, customer service, and creativity, and soon it will be embodied in almost everything we use. But with great power comes great responsibility. We need to be careful about bias, privacy, and ethics as this technology rolls out. If done right, multimodal AI won't just make our gadgets smarter, it could make our interactions with technology feel more human than ever before. Thank you for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more deep dives into AI. And drop a comment below what excites you most about multimodal AI. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.